Have you ever wondered what it would be like to finish high school at 8 years old? Or maybe earn a PhD by the time you're 15? Well, for one Belgian prodigy, that's not just a hypothetical, it's his reality. Meet Laurent Simons, a name you'll want to remember. At just 15 years old, he's just earned his doctorate in quantum physics, making him one of the youngest PhD holders in history. Laurent's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. He blazed through high school in about a year. Then, he tackled university, earning a bachelor's degree in physics with distinction in just 18 months, by the age of 12. While most kids are navigating middle school, Laurent was already wrapping up his master's degree in quantum physics. His thesis, something about Bose-Polarins and superfluids and supersolids. It's a deep dive into how particles behave in ultra-cold gases, a field that could unlock secrets of the universe. He even did an internship at the prestigious Max Planck Institute in Germany, where he started connecting the dots between physics and medicine. This is where his story gets even more fascinating. With an IQ of 145, Laurent isn't just collecting degrees for fun. He has a clear, ambitious goal in mind: human immortality. He's been dreaming of this since he was 11, and he sees his work in quantum physics as a stepping stone. His plan is to use his knowledge to create what he calls superhumans. He believes that by replacing body parts with artificial ones, we can extend human life indefinitely. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction. Right, but Laurent is dead serious. He told a TV station that creating superhumans is his next big project, and he's not wasting any time. Right after defending his physics PhD, he enrolled in a second doctoral program, this time in medical science, focusing on artificial intelligence. He's back in Munich, ready to combine the power of quantum mechanics and AI to revolutionize medicine. Can you imagine the future he's trying to build? A world where age is just a number and our bodies are endlessly upgradeable. It's a bold vision, and with a mind like Laurent's leading the charge, who knows what's possible? What do you think about his goal? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories.